Segotep Gaming Computer Case Review, 4 important points to consider when choosing PC case, work Rift. The Segotep Gaming Computer Case offers robust RGB lighting and features excellent airflow to keep components running cool even during intensive gaming sessions. There's a lot of computer cases choices out there, so finding what's right for you means thinking about your needs. Overall, it proved a quality gaming case that looks good and does right by your hardware during PC gaming. The Phoenix T1 fit my mid-tower gaming needs just right. With room for big graphics cards and standard ATX layout, building was simple. But folks wanting compact power can look to the Segotep Slath Mini ITX also. Overall, the Phoenix T1 keeps hardware safe and sound. The RGB lighting and fan setup in my model fits games perfect. Bright colors, sync to the action and keep temps low no matter what. The verdict, is this Segotep case worth considering for your next PC? High-end graphics slide in snug next to key components. Cool air circulates steadfast through it all thanks to openings placed just right. Overall, a smart selection for performance on a platform not too pricey, always a welcome thing if ask me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.